For those in need, not having enough diapers creates enormous suffering for babies and their families. When Huggies wanted to help, they came to us. We knew it was Huggies' opportunity to help change lives by leading the way to a sustainable solution through CSR. Every Little Bottom was born. We convened the first National Diaper Summit.
Some moms, low-income moms, had to decide between buying diapers and buying food.
We coined the term diaper need and conducted groundbreaking research. In June, the results were released through earned and social media.
The Junior League of Saginaw Valley is teaming up with Huggies to help diaper every little bottom.
To share the devastating impact of diaper need, we created a website. We also engaged 7 blog ambassadors who reached over 6 million followers, creating a groundswell of diaper donations. Nonprofits helped rally grassroots support through diaper drives. Employees, customers, and consumers all joined the cause. We created Amazon diaper wish lists, online tools. We made it possible to turn loyalty points into diapers. In October, we introduced celebrity mom Ellen Pompeo as campaign ambassador on a leading U.S. talk show.
So what Huggies is doing is kicking off this campaign with this show, Every Little Bottom. And for every package of Huggies diapers that you buy, there's specially marked boxes. Huggies will diaper a baby.
Every Little Bottom was becoming widely known through retail, earned media, social media, and paid advertising. Through January, over 107 million media impressions were generated. We had over 145,000 website hits. In just over 9 months, 26 million diapers were donated. And we're just beginning. Every Little Bottom. Changing lives, one diaper at a time.